Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to add a beautiful 3D text like this in Canva application, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can add a beautiful 3D text in Canva very easily. So without wasting your time, first of all I open a new page and here I will write some text and click on add a heading. For example, I write here 3D text, and after that I adjust the size of this text like this. So after that click on text and here click first of all change the color of this text. From here you can change the color. For example, I want to make it gold, so I have already copied the color code of text, so I select this color. You can select any other color. So click on back arrow and click on cross. After that scroll to the right and here you can see effect option. So click on effects and from here shadow option, click on shadow and click on adjust. So from here you can make it 3D. First of all we will change the color of this text from here. You can see here is the color option. So click on color and after that scroll down and you can select any color of the shadow. For example, I select this black color and click on back arrow. After that click on offset and from here you can select the offset of this text shadow. For example, I make this offset and after that I will adjust the direction of this text. You can see you can adjust the direction of the text like this and after that click on blur and make it more blur like this and after that you have to click on transparency. So you can see we have beautifully added a 3D effect on our text. So you can adjust the 3D effect by moving these options to the left or right. So you can see it becomes more clear and more beautiful. So it depends upon you how you can use this 3D text effect in Canva application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.